This is a guide for hosting a virtual bake sale.
Sign up for The Longest Day at alz.org/thelongestday and make a Facebook fundraiser in your participant center to raise more money.
Social media is key when it comes to having a successful virtual bake sale. All you have to do is assign a price to each item and advertise all of those baked goods with photos on your Facebook alongside your Longest Day Facebook fundraiser and other social media with your Longest Day fundraiser link. All somebody has to do to purchase one of the baked goods is make a donation for that amount to either fundraiser page, and then you can go ahead and make a safe drop-off later. I made brownies earlier, and what better way to get the word out to people than Snapchat, where I can send it to all of my friends that live near me in a second. So I just asked them if they wanted a brownie and to let them know to donate $5 to my Longest Day page, and I will safely drop it on their porch. I used the clipboard function, which is that little paper clip right there, to attach the link to my Longest Day page. So all they'll have to do is click on it when they get the snap, and I will be able to drop them off soon. Don't forget to thank your donors.